listeners that don't understand what SCADA is and HMI, can you explain it in rudimentary terms?
Yeah, absolutely. So an HMI is kind of the kind of most rudimentary form. It's a human machine interface. And the idea is that right next to your piece of equipment, you have a panel, an HMI where you can go and see what's happening with the equipment, be able to control it, change some set points, turn things on and off so the operator can run that machine effectively, right? It's right there, it's next to the machine. If even if their network goes down or the building's burning down, they should be able to run that piece of equipment right there. That's what the HMI is all about. And it connects up to the controller that's on that piece of equipment. That's a PLC. PLC standing for a programmable logic controller. And that's what really automates the machine itself, right? It knows how it runs. It's looking, has all the sensors and all the information that's bringing in to decide, like for example, if it's running and some sensor gets tripped, it might shut it down, right, or slow it down, or whatever for safety or for whatever needs that are there. So the PLC is critical in and the HMI is communicating with it so that the operator can see the status and can make change. You then take that at a higher level. If you've got lots of pieces of equipment out there, you want to be able to centralize all that. You want to see data from your entire shop floor, right, or factory floor in one view. And that's what SCADA is. SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. It's the idea of kind of bringing all these disparate systems together, being able to see it all in a single pane of glass, and to be able to get insights into data, historize data together, provide alarms for what's happening, and ultimately, get that visualization out to the people that need that. And data acquisition is a huge part of a SCADA system. So that's sort of how the kind of the, if you will, layered approach in the OT world. And there's a kind of what's called a Purdue model, and there's different layers of that model, kind of like from the sensors to the control plane to the HMI, of course, into the SCADA system. Then it goes into like business sides, right, where you get to like MES systems, where you get into like the business, the corporate side, and there's kind of these layered approaches. That's how a lot of companies do their segmented networks. But ultimately, HMI SCADA is all around the shop floor, right? The equipment that we're monitoring and making sure are running most effectively.